Properties of parallel lines. Chapter 14. Parallel lines. Two lines are said to be parallel if they are in the same plane. They do not intersect, however, they are extended and the distance between them is the same everywhere. In figure we see that L parallel M and the distance between them PQ equal to P complement Q complement. Transversal, a line which intersect two or more lines at distinct points is called a transversal. Angles formed when a transversal cuts two parallel lines, let two parallel lines L and M be cut by a transversal T, forming angles as shown. Angle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. The pair of angles. Number 1. Corresponding angles 1 and 5. Angle 4 and 8. 2, 6 and 3, 7. Alternate interior angles are 3, 5 and 4, 6. Exterior angle 1, 7 and 2, 8. Fourth, consecutive interior angles, that is also called co-interior angles, as 3, 6, angle 3, 6 and angle 4, 5, angle 4, angle 5. Sum of the co-interior angles is 180 degree. Example, in the figure given that OA parallel EC, OA parallel EC and OB parallel ED. Prove that angle AOB equal to angle CED. Angle 1 equal to angle 3. Solution. OA parallel EC and OB is a transversal. Therefore, angle 1 equal to angle 2. Corresponding angles. Again, OB parallel ED and EC is a transversal. EC is a transversal. Therefore, angle 2 equal to angle 3. Second, these are also corresponding angles. From first and second, we get angle 1 equal to angle 3. Hence, angle AOB equal to angle CED. Exercise 14, question number 1. In the given figure, L parallel M and T is a transversal if angle 5 equal to 70 degree. Find the measure of each of the angles, angle 1, angle 3, angle 4 and angle 8. Solution. Given angle 5 equal to 70 degree. Now angle 5 equal to angle 1 equal to 70 degree because they are complementary angles. Now angle 5 equal to angle 1 equal to 70 degree corresponding angles, and angle 5 equal to angle 3 equal to 70 degree alternate angles. Now angle 4 plus angle 5 equal to 180 degree. Angle 4 plus angle 5 equal to 180 degree. Sum of the co-interior angles. Angle 4 plus 70 degree equal to 180 degree. Angle 4 equal to 180 minus 70 equal to 110 degree. Therefore, angle 4 equal to 110 degree. And angle 4 equal to angle 8 corresponding angle. Angle 4 equal to angle 8 corresponding angle. Therefore, angle 8 equal to 110 degree. Hence, angle 1 equal to 70 degree, angle 3 equal to 70 degree, angle 4 equal to 110 degree, and angle 8 equal to 110 degree. Question number 3. Two parallel lines L and M are cut by a transversal T if the interior angles of the same side of transversal T be 2x minus 8 degree and 3x minus 7 degree. Find the measure of each of the angles. Solution. L parallel M and T is a transversal. Angles 2x minus 8 degree and 3x minus 7 degree are the interior angles of the same side of transversal T. Therefore, 2x minus 8 plus 3x minus 7 equal to 180 degree. Sum of co-interior angles. 2x minus 8 plus 3x minus 7 equal to 180 degree. Solving the like terms, 5x minus 15 equal to 180 degree. Transposing minus 15, we get 5x equal to 180 plus 15. 5x equal to 195 degree. X equal to 195 by 5. 195 divided by 5, 39 times. So x equal to 39 degree. 2x minus 8 equal to 2 into 39 minus 8 equal to 70 degree. 3x minus 7 equal to 3 into 39 minus 7 equal to 110 degree. Hence, required angles are 70 degree and 110 degree. Question number 5. In the given figure, angle B equal to 65 degree, angle C equal to 45 degree, in triangle ABC and DAE parallel BC. If angle DAB equal to x degree and angle EAC equal to y degree, find the value of x and y. Solution. In triangle ABC, angle B 65 degree, angle C equal to 45 degree and DAE parallel BC. It is given DAE parallel BC and AB is a transversal, therefore x equal to 65 degree. Alternate angle. Again, DAE parallel BC and AC is a transversal, therefore y equal to 45 degree. This is alternate angle. Hence, x equal to 65 degree and y equal to 45 degree. Question number 7. In the adjoining figure, it is being given that AO parallel CD, OD parallel CE and angle AOB equal to 50 degree. Find the measure of angle ECD. Solution. Given AO parallel CD and OB is a transversal, therefore angle AOD plus angle ODC equal to 180 degree. Is sum of co-interior angles. 50 degree plus angle ODC equal to 180 degree. Given AOD equal to 50 degree. Angle ODC equal to 180 minus 50 equal to 130 degree. Now OD parallel CE and CD is a transversal. Therefore, ODC equal to angle ECD, alternate angles. ODC equal to ECD, alternate angles. Angle ECD equal to 130 degree. Hence, angle ECD equal to 130 degree.